So this is a full frontal lace wig that I ventilated from scratch, and I used it to make Ghana weaving braids with beads. So this video is a full tutorial of how I achieved this. So if you want to learn, watch this video. So this is a wig cap I'm going to be using. Yes, I bought it from the market like this. So I'm going to be ventilating the frontal. So I've already marked my hairline there. So this is me ventilating. So watch as I am ventilating it. Take a close look at it. I am ventilating the hairline. From there, I'll ventilate the body. So watch closely. Ventilating the hairline is for me now to ventilate inside the body. Yes, so watch closely. Ventilating it line by line so I can be able to weave it. Yes, I can be able to plait it. So watch closely. Ventilating the frontal, you can see I ventilated each line. Like I did not miss any, I did not skip any. So if you are following my step, you will do the same. You ventilate each line. So it's time for me to braid the back. Yes, so this is the attachment I'm going to be using, expression attachment. I cut my attachment, then I fished it out. Yes, so it's time for the back side. So I used a crochet pin. You can see it's the small size crochet pin I used for the back to bring out my attachments. I collected small piece of attachment to bring it out because you cannot pass the big attachment, so you have to pass a little attachment through the net, and you're supposed to use the small crochet pin. Then after passing it, then you take the main attachment you are going to use to braid. So it's just like you are passing the base of the hair through the net, then you place it with the amount, any amount of attachment you want to use. So this is just the basic step, and this is what I'm going to be doing all through this back net. Yes, so watch closely what I'll be doing and how I'm doing it if you want to learn. Yes. Okay, so this part is a special part. This is the uppermost part. In this part, you're going to be braiding it closely, you get, so that you can be able to cover. You can see what I did. You can be able to cover the rest, so you braid it closely. So I done braiding the back, so I separated the front that I'm going to be plaiting. I'm going to be weaving, you get. I separated it. So this is me. I've started weaving, doing our Ghana weaving. I did the first two, so I want to be this third one. I want to show you guys how I achieved this, in case for those that don't know how to do Ghana weaving. So watch closely, yes, and learn. And watch closely, learn, yes. Wow, look at this piece of art that I made. So I'm done weaving the hair. Was a frontal wig without edges. There is no frontal wig without edges. So this is me doing the edges, ventilating the edges. Yes, so watch. So I'm done ventilating the edges. Wow, oh my god, this wig is so fine. So it's time for me to do the finishing of the braid, like the tips, finish the braid and put beads. After putting the beads, I trim the hair and I cut the mouth. Yeah, so I put hot water. The rest, you know it though, so watch to the end. my god, this hair is 100% ready. Yes, you can see the difference between before I put hot water on the hair and after. Before I put hot water on the hair was like as if it was standing, looking big and all those things, but after hot water, see the hair is looking slippery and fine. Look at me wearing the hair now. It's so fine on my head. See, the net is not even showing, like everything is covered. Thing reaching my bum bum. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Look at it, this hair is so fine. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, hit the notification bell so you'll be the first one to get notified whenever I post a video.